Stock picking services are everywhere on the internet. Everyone's trying to get your attention. Everyone's trying to show you the hottest stock. But we went ahead and took a look at the two most popular stock picking services, the Motley Fool and Seeking Alpha. And we wanted to go ahead and dive a little bit deeper and find out which one is actually best. Which one has the better price? Which one is going to give you better picks? Which one does more research? What are the different features that are different between the two stock picking services? Let's get into it. Let's talk about these things in this video. What's up, you guys? I'm Sean and this is the Modest Wallet YouTube channel. Thank you so much for checking it out. We also have a blog, so I want to go ahead and direct you to that as well. We'll put a link in the description, or you can go ahead and you can get a more in-depth look at each of these two stock picking services that we're going to be taking a look at, the Motley Fool and Seeking Alpha. Before I go any further, let's just kind of do a quick overview of each of these two companies. Seeking Alpha is an investment research platform that was founded in 2004, and it really brands itself as the world's largest investing community, and it boasts more than 20 million monthly users. The company's core features include its stock and ETF research dashboard, where you can access information about thousands of different securities. Seeking Alpha also has a really powerful stock screener, as well as thousands of opinion articles from independent analysts. Motley Fool is an investment advisory company that was founded in 1993, and the company has grown into one of the most popular market research services available. With Motley Fool, you can sign up for a paid subscription that gives you access to investment recommendations from professional market analysts. Both the Motley Fool and Seeking Alpha are subscription-based marketing research services. So let's take a look at how both companies operate so you know if it's something maybe you want to sign up for. Now, I'll get into pricing in a little bit, but let's take a look at Seeking Alpha and the different three subscription plans that they offer. First, there's the basic, and this is the free option that Seeking Alpha offers. This includes access to blog articles, email newsletters, and 5 years of corporate financial statements. With the free plan, you can also link your brokerage accounts and get personalized stock news updates. Then there's the premium version. With the premium version, you get everything included that you get in the basic plan, plus a few less advertisements. You get the stock screener, you get full access to company financials, and you get enhanced stock metrics. Finally, there's the Pro version. This is the company's highest subscription tier. Seeking Alpha Pro includes everything in the premium plan, as well as access to the Pro Investing Idea Screener, the exclusive newsletters, and a VIP concierge service. You also get an advertisement-free dashboard. Now, when you sign up for a Motley Fool account, you can choose from several subscription plans. Some of the company's highest rated plans are going to include the Stock Advisor, which is the most popular subscription, where you're going to get the Stock Advisor that is a stock picking service for, and it's really for long-term investors. Then there's the Rule Breakers, and with Rule Breakers, you get access to stock picks that have high growth potential. There's also Everlasting Stocks, which gives you access to stock picks that are hand-selected by founder Tom Gardner. Then you can Rule Your Retirement, which is designed for long-term investors. Finally, there's the Motley Fool Options, which is another service offered by Motley Fool targeted to options traders. Obviously, that was a lot of things that I went through pretty quickly. Just want you to know that we did do a full review on this channel of each of these services. So if you're kind of confused and I'm going too fast, you can definitely check out our other videos that are all about these different features and are going to help break it down even more specifically for each of these stock picking services. One thing that's really important for me is the customer service. So there's always things that happen and you want to be able to talk to someone when those things happen. So let's take a look at their different customer service. With Seeking Alpha, they have some really great help pages, so you can get a lot of answers just from using that. But you can also, if those aren't going to answer your questions, you can report issues with the website on the company's feedback form, which is definitely a nice feature. They also have email and phone-based support available, but that's just for subscription-related questions. When it comes to Motley Fool's customer service, it's pretty much all about their online help pages. The firm has an email-based customer service team too, but there's no option for the phone-based support. I said we get into the pricing, so let's go ahead and do that, get right into the pricing. Seeking Alpha, you have a choice between one of the three subscription plans that we did already mention, that basic, does come free. Now you're limited on what you can get with that, but it does come free. When it comes to the premium service, it's $29.99 a month or $239 annually. And for the pro version, it's $69.99 monthly or $499 annually. One thing I do want you to note is that when you do buy these subscriptions, you can save money by purchasing them for the year or annually rather than paying that monthly fee. When it comes to the Motley Fool and what their subscriptions cost, that stock advisor that we talked about, it's $199 annually. The Rule Breakers is $299 annually. The Everlasting Stocks is $299 annually. And the Rule Your Retirement is at $149 annually. Once again, you want to go ahead and look at which one might be best for you. But you can also do the Epic Bundle, which is going to include all of those options for $499 for the year. So if you want everything, that might be your best option. Now here at the Modest Wallet, we do have an opportunity. We work with some of these different stock screening services. And so we can actually help you get the best deal. So if this is something you're interested in, you want to check out one of these two options that we're talking about today, let me allow you to know that all new subscribers can get a 7-day trial and 50% off of Seeking Alpha. And let me clarify that, Seeking Alpha Premium. One thing you do want to keep in mind is that you must enter your payment information when you begin your free trial, but your card won't be charged until the trial period is over. So if you get into that trial period and you realize maybe it's not for you, then you can get out of the deal, you won't get charged, and you tested it out for free. Once again, 50% off for that first year, pretty nice deal. We will definitely leave a link in the comments, in the description. We'll pin it to the comments so that you can easily access it. When it comes to the Motley Fool, we also have a nice deal for you, a link that you can click, as we mentioned in the description, and we will pin it in the comments. And it gets you $110 off your first year of Stock Advisor as a new subscriber. The company also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no free trial like the other one had, Seeking Alpha, but it will give you $110 off your first year and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you find out in those first 30 days it's not for you, then you can easily get out of the deal and you don't have to worry about it. All right, now let's get into each of the platforms, whether they have an app or not. So when it comes to Seeking Alpha, they offer a web-based platform, a desktop app, and mobile apps for both iOS and Android. So definitely a nice feature when it comes to Seeking Alpha. When it comes to Motley Fool, unfortunately, it's only available on the web and the company doesn't have any mobile apps. So you can use your phone and go on their website and use the different features, but there's no app. A lot of people like apps with different things, but with Motley Fool, you're not gonna get that. Let me go through a list of pros for each of these companies. We'll get to the cons as well, but we picked out several main ideas for each of these platforms, things that we really like. So let's get into those. For Seeking Alpha, it's one of the largest online investing communities in the world. It includes access to thousands of investing articles and news stories. They have an excellent stock screener tool for market research. There's a convenient platform for accessing in-depth stock and ETF information. It lets you link your brokerage accounts for easier portfolio management. It offers proprietary stock and ETF analysis metrics and access to company financials. Finally, there's great newsletters, videos, podcasts, and other educational materials. The pros of Motley Fool include easy to use for first-time investors, provides analyst recommendations for the best stocks to buy now, multiple subscription plans available for different types of investors. It offers an extensive collection of educational resources. All subscriptions include access to online discussion boards, and finally, access to past stock picks when you sign up for a subscription. There's always some drawbacks when you're looking at different companies, so let's get into those cons for each of these companies. First, Seeking Alpha. It's too complex for new investors. So if you're a new investor, it's probably gonna be too much for you. There's some services that require an additional subscription fee, so we don't like those different layers, can sometimes seem a little sneaky. There's a free basic subscription, which is highly limited, and the pro subscription plan is rather expensive. When it comes to the Motley Fool, there's no option to pay monthly for a subscription. It doesn't have good charting or technical analysis tools. They're known to advertise a lot on their platform. There's no free subscription available, and it's designed for long-term investing, not short-term trading. Another really good question is to find out who these services are best for. So Seeking Alpha is ideal for intermediate to experienced traders that want to do their market research themselves. The firm's stock scanner and research tools are leaders in the industry, and its collection of informational and opinion articles is really second to none. If you're willing to pay a premium for quality research tools, then Seeking Alpha is definitely a solid choice for you. Motley Fool is best for new investors who take a hands-off approach to their portfolios. Since the firm recommends specific stocks to buy and sell, it's also a nice choice for first-time investors that want some extra guidance with their portfolio. Motley Fool's lack of charting and technical analysis tools means that it's not a great choice for people who want to do research. But that said, if you want quick and easy investment guidance to grow your portfolio, the Motley Fool is definitely worth considering. So as we wrap up this review, I've tried to lay out all of the pros, the cons, kind of get into how much things cost, who it's best for. So really, when it's coming to stock screeners, these two companies through our research are the top two. It's whether or not you are geared toward or like the different features of each of them. As I mentioned, I have a full review on each of those stock screeners that you can go ahead and check on our channel. They're going to take you inside of these apps a little more and going to be more in depth. For traders who like to do in-depth research, Seeking Alpha is likely going to be your choice. Motley Fool is going to be a better option for new investors or anyone that doesn't have a lot of time to do research. The most important thing that you want to remember is that you have the tools you need to find the best investments for your portfolio. That's what it's all about. You want to make good investments, help to grow your wealth, and help to prepare for the future. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let us know if you have any questions about anything I talked about. We wanted to not make it super long. We wanted to make sure we tried to touch on everything, but we didn't want to kind of go overboard. So if you have any other questions, please drop those questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.